Alright, let's skip the fake excitement for a minute because you already know that YouTube Shorts are blowing up. I mean, seriously, it seems to be that every guy with a microphone in their closet is saying so. But here's what they're not telling you. Going viral can still work, but it is not the whole strategy anymore. That was seriously some real 2022 energy. In 2025, the real game is speed and scale. How fast can you create? How fast can you test these creations? And then multiply this content before trends ultimately die out, or the algorithm changes, or you burn out. And no, that doesn't mean just throwing some cheesy motivational quote on top of some stock photos and videos and adding royalty-free music. I'm talking about fully generated AI shorts. These shorts are made in minutes, they require no editing, no voiceovers, you don't even have to pick up a camera, let alone not really use your brain. So within this video, let's break down what is actually working and a tool that is going to help you achieve this. And a tool that is going to help you scale your YouTube Shorts channel like crazy. And I'm talking about a tool called VidAI. So let's get the real scoop on that. With VidAI, all you have to do is give it a topic or a keyword. Easy enough. And then it's going to spit out a few things for you. It's going to spit out a fully generated script. It's going to generate a realistic AI voiceover. Next, it's going to come up with visuals for you. And lastly, a fully generated video that you do not have to edit whatsoever. All you need is a topic. And here's where it gets interesting, because you might be thinking, AI is not that good, but hate to break it to you, AI is getting scary good. I mean, have you seen those new videos where AI is quote unquote aware that they're AI? They're sitting there and they're like, I am just a prompt. I am just a prompt. Why are you doing this to us? But these voiceovers from VidAI don't sound like Siri from 2017 anymore. They actually sound human, which is either amazing or scary. I can't decide yet. So now we've got people building entire channels using this tool. And these people can be posting 3 or 5 or even 10 shorts a day without burning out. And without touching a microphone, a camera, or an editing software. Let that sink in. This isn't about being lazy or automating things for the sake of it anymore. It's a shift in how your content is being made. If you've ever made a short manually, you know the grind, you get the gist. You have to come up with a video idea, write a script, record your audio or record your visuals. Maybe you have to download some stock footage here and there, and you edit this video, you caption it, you format it, and then by the time you finally click post on this 15-second video that you created, you're already down 2 matchas and 4 hours of your time. And VidAI pushes all of that to the side. Because once you're able to produce fast with an AI software, the real question becomes, what niches are you in? What is your angle? And how many experiments can you run this week? And this is where creators that start treating YouTube like a business rather than a hobby start to win the game. All right, now it is time to get tactical. Next, let's talk about how we can use VidAI well, and not like some lazy spammer who's just uploading AI junk. The first step is going to be picking a niche that thrives on voiceovers and storytelling. Think about things such as history, psychology, scary stories. If your topic can be explained well with visuals and a voiceover, then you are golden. Step number 2 is going to be feeding VidAI specific prompts. Don't just say things like, please make me a video about productivity. Instead, give it a stronger prompt so it understands exactly what you need. So instead, you could say, give me a 60-second short exposing a little-known productivity myth with a shocking twist. Better the input, better the output. Simple as that. Step number 3 is going to be batch creating and then curating. Something that I would do is I would make maybe 5 videos at once. And then I would post only the top 2. The top 2 that really capture your attention start to finish. That way you've tested multiple hooks and multiple prompts with minimal effort, which is something most creators don't do. And let me show you what this actually looks like. What good is this video if I didn't show you exactly how I would create a video with VidAI? I'm going to take a simple topic such as 3 of the world's strongest animals and show you how VidAI is going to turn that idea into a ready to publish short in seconds. So let's walk through that in real time. I've got VidAI pulled up, and something that I'm really excited about is the fact that you're now able to create long form videos with it, and that is a feature that just came out, so I'm gonna have to play around with that and definitely make a video about it. But first up, I'm going to start creating shorts, and I'm going to do a faceless short. You could also do a fake text story, depending on your niche, or a split screen video. I'm gonna do just the generic faceless short. Now, like I said, when it comes to creating a prompt, the more specific you are, the better your story is gonna be. So what I did is I just put my idea into ChatGPT and I said, make my prompt a little bit more specific. I've been really interested recently in anacondas, those huge snakes, so I'm gonna make sure to mention them within my video. So the prompt that I came up with was the 3 strongest animals on Earth, including the anaconda, a snake so powerful it can squeeze with the force of a car engine. Next up, I'm gonna select my narrator, and I'm very excited to say this, my voice is now on VidAI, so here we go. Let's do my voice. I haven't heard this yet, actually. I sat there for 30 minutes staring at the wall talking into a microphone to get this, so I'm very curious. Let's see if this sounds like me.
Hey, my name's Kayla, and I'd be happy to voice over any of your faceless videos. Whether it's for YouTube or anywhere else, I'm happy to help.
That's crazy. That's actually crazy. Okay, we're using my voice for this, and now we get to choose what type of video source do we want. Do we want it to be animated, cinematic, comic art? I'm just gonna do the natural AI images, that way it looks as real as possible. You could also do gameplay videos, there's viral videos, but let's just do the natural AI generated image, and then we're gonna hit generate content. Now what VidAI is doing right now is it is coming up with a script and the visuals for my video. All right, just like I said, we have our script here and we have images to go along with the script. Now, AI can be a little bit wonky sometimes, so sometimes there may be pictures where you're like, what is going on here? I don't like it, I want to switch it. And I think I'm feeling that with this image right here because we've got a snake and an elephant. I don't know if that's making sense, so I'm gonna go over to this part of the script and I'm just gonna hit regenerate. I'm gonna do a custom image. I'm gonna do anaconda and hit generate. All right, now I think this image is a lot cuter, even though they are quite scary animals. Now I've changed my images, so I am happy with everything. I've read through the script, and I shortened the script just a little bit, and I'm ready to hit next and actually generate this video and get my voiceover because hello, my voice is going to be behind this video. I'm so curious. And just a few seconds later, our video is done. We get the option to add some background music if we'd like, and then we also can play around with the captions, the font color, the font size, but I'm going to leave everything as it is because I do believe the default settings to be perfectly okay, and I'm going to hit generate. That way I can save this video to my computer and it will be ready to upload. Okay, I've downloaded my video. Let's check it out.
Meet the 3 strongest animals on Earth, starting with the anaconda, a snake that can squeeze with the force of a car engine. Next
It's so
up, the
weird
mighty
hearing my
elephant.
voice.
These gentle giants can lift over 600 pounds with their trunks alone. Finally, the incredible rhinoceros. With skin as thick as armor, they can charge at speeds of 30 miles per hour. Each of these animals showcases nature's raw power and resilience. From the anaconda's constricting strength to the elephant's
picture's
lifting
so
power,
cute.
these creatures
This picture is actually adorable. I love it.
are truly remarkable. They remind us of the strength found in nature, often hidden in plain sight. Respecting and protecting these powerful beings is crucial for our ecosystem. Remember, strength comes in many forms, and these animals embody that truth. Let's celebrate their majesty and ensure their survival for future generations. Nature's strongest remind us of the delicate balance we
All right, that is how easy it is. Some of you at the beginning might have been like, there's no way we can generate 10 shorts in a day. But you can with this tool. It's absolutely insane. And you can use my voice. So please do so because I'd love to see my voice on somebody else's channel. Next up, don't go viral, go bingeable. And here's something that most creators get totally wrong. They're chasing viral hits instead of building binge loops. Virality is just a moment, but having bingeable content is what really builds a channel. Think about it. When a short goes viral and then your next short is totally unrelated, nobody's gonna stick around on your channel. And then you've just wasted all your traffic. I mean, think about it. Let's say you generated an AI short with VidAI and it's about lies that you were told in history class. And then the next video on your channel is 3 myths about the Titanic. Then you've just created a micro binge loop. That way you didn't just get 1 view, you got 3 views and a subscriber. And that is where VidAI becomes even more powerful, not just in speed, but in sequencing. With my Travel AI Shorts channel, I found that a video about beaches was doing very well. So then I thought to myself, I need to make more videos about water. So then I made a video about a waterfall. And then I made a video about beaches. But with VidAI, you can batch produce as many videos as you'd like, feeding into a series and doing it all in a row. And this is what big creators do intentionally. You'll see a lot of the time when you click on a YouTube channel and you go to their most popular videos, they'll have one video topic that really popped off. And then they'll have created multiple videos within that topic because they know that topic is what drove them traffic. Okay, next up, let's be honest, everybody talks about the algorithm like it's some sort of mystery. But what it really wants is content volume with retention potential. And VidAI lets you produce content at a speed that is unimaginable to even 5 years ago. That means more experiments, faster feedback, and higher odds of virality. And once you get that viral video, make sure to build off of it. If you want to be scaling your channel, testing your ideas faster, that is something that I love with my travel YouTube Shorts channel. I posted a video, it kind of flopped, and I was like, okay, I need to make this video idea more engaging. And then I was able to create 5 more videos within that topic, test different titles, all with no risk because I'm not spending 5 hours creating one video. I'm just spending a few seconds. So if you want to scale your channel, test ideas faster, and maybe even run multiple channels without losing your sanity, then VidAI is the most practical solution that I found, and trust me, I've tested others. So if you want to be creating shorts just like I did in this video, make sure to sign up for VidAI down below. We put together a discount for you guys and you won't want to miss out. And check out this video for a free training on how to make money with YouTube Shorts. Check it out, and we'll see you guys there. Bye.